The main consequence of biogas is option A oxygen, option B methane, option C acetic acid, option D methyl. So the correct answer is option B methane. Next question. The most abundant element in the human body is option A oxygen, option B iron, option C nitrogen, option D carbon. So the correct answer is option B, option A oxygen. Next question. A mixture of water and alcohol can be separated by option A decantation, option B distillation, option C evaporation, option D filtration. So the correct answer is option B distillation. Next question. Which of the following is biodegradable? Option A plastic, option B paper, option C DDT, option D aluminium. So the correct answer is option B paper. Next question. An element that doesn't occur in nature but can be prepared artificially is option A radium, option B thorium, option C uranium, option D plutonium. So the correct answer is option D plutonium. Next question. Chloroform can be used as option A analgesic, option B anesthetic, option C anti-malaria, option D antibiotic. So the correct answer is option B anesthetic. Next question. The manufacture of iron from iron ore involves the process of option A oxidation, option B reduction, option C fractional distillation, option D electrolysis. So the correct answer is option B reduction. Next question. Which of the following is caused by the higher concentration of nitrogen and phosphorus? Option A hardness, option B eutrophication, option C alkalinity, option D acidity. So the correct answer is option B eutrophication. Next question. Earth's atmosphere is an envelope of glass extending to a height of option A 100 km, option B 200 km, option C 150 km, option D 300 km. So the correct answer is option B 200 km. Next question. In its reaction with silver nitrate shows option A oxidizing property, option B reducing property, option C basic property, option D acidic property. So the correct answer is option A oxidizing property. Next question. The main source of carbon monoxide is option A industrial process, option B reducing property, option C transportation, option D solid waste disposal. So the correct answer is option C transportation. Next question. Aerosol is option A greenhouse gas present in air, option B microbes present in air, option C pollutant gas, option D suspended solid particles in air. So the correct answer is option D suspended solid particles in air. Next question. Philosopher's Pole is option A zinc carbonate, option B zinc sulfate, Option C, zinc oxide. Option D, zinc blende. So the correct answer is option C, zinc oxide. Next question. Synthetic detergents are made from option A, sodium stearate, option B, sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid, option C, sodium salt of benzene carboxylic acid, option D, sodium palmitate. So the correct answer is option B, sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. Next question. The sewage obtained from water closest and urinal is known as option A, garbage, option B, industrial waste, option C, sanitary waste, option D, sewage. So the correct answer is option C, sanitary waste. Next question. Maximum permissible concentration of total hardness in drinking water is option A 50, option B 100, option C 200, option D 500. So the correct answer is option C 200. Next question. Electric fuse is an alloy of option A tin and lead, option B, zinc and lead. Option C, copper and iron. Option D, carbon and tin. So the correct answer is option A, tin and lead. Next question. The chemical used for cloud seeding for artificially rains is option A, silver nitrate. Option B, potassium bromide. Option C, silver iodide. Option D, potassium nitrate. So the correct answer is option C, silver iodide. Next question. Tetraethyl lead is option A, a catalyst in burning fossil fuel. Option B, an antioxidant. Option C, a reductant. Option D, an anti-knock compound. So the correct answer is option D, an anti-knock compound. Next question. In silvery paints, the main constituent present is option A, aluminium powder, option B, silver powder, option C, lead powder, option D, white lead. So the correct answer is option A, aluminium powder. Next question. Wax used for making candle is chemically a mixture of option A, aliphatic hydrocarbon, option B, aromatic hydrocarbons, option C, cyclic hydrocarbons, option D, aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. So the correct answer is option A, aliphatic hydrocarbon. Next question. The gas involved in Bhopal incident was option A, hydrogen sulfide, option B, nitrogen dioxide, option C, methyl chloride, option D, methyl isocyanide. So the correct answer is option D, methyl isocyanide. Next question. Alcohol prepared by the distillation of wood is option A, propyl alcohol, option B, methyl alcohol, option C, ethyl alcohol, option D, glycerol. So the correct answer is option B, methyl alcohol. Next question. Photooxidation process is initiated by option A light, option B heat, option C oxygen, option D catalyst. So the correct answer is option A light. Next question. Major gaseous pollutant of the thermal power station is option A H2S, option B NH3, option C NO2, option D SO2. So the correct answer is option D SO2. Next question. The process of removing calcium and magnesium from hard water is known as option A sedimentation, option B filtration, option C flocculation, option D water softening. So the correct answer is option D water softening. Next question. All the four quantum numbers of two electrons in an atom are not the same. It is the law of option A exclusion of Pauli, option B uncertainty principle of Heisenberg, option C Hund's law, option D Avogadro's law. So the correct answer is option A exclusion of principle of Pauli. Next question. Cement is made hard with option A proton, option B hydration and dissociation of water, option C dissociation of water, option D polymerization. So the correct answer is option B hydration and dissociation of water. Next question. In which of the following states maximum iron ore is found? Option A FeCO3, option B Fe2O3, option C Fe3O4, option D FeS2. So the correct answer is option B Fe2O3. Next question. Which of the following is not a nucleon? Option A proton, option B neutron, option C electron, option D positron. So the correct answer is option D positron. Next question. Which of the following metals form an amalgam with other metals? Option A lead, option B tin, option C zinc, option D mercury. So the correct answer is option D mercury. Next question. Beryllium sulfate is less soluble in water due to option A high inflammable energy, option B low energy of dissociation, option C low inflammable energy, option D ionic bond. So the correct answer is option A high inflammable energy. Next question. Fertilizer having high nitrogen content is option A urea, option B ammonium sulfate, option C ammonium nitrate, option D calcium citrate. So the correct answer is option A urea. Next question. The gas is used for artificial fruit ripening of green fruits is option A methane, option B ethane, option C ethylene, option D acetylene. So the correct answer is option C ethylene. Next question. The liquid waste for kitchens and baths of residents is known as option A domestic sewage, option B stormwater, option C sewage, option D refuse. So the correct answer is option C sewage. Next question. Substance used as an antifreeze is radiator of automobiles is option A ethyl alcohol and H2O, option B ethyl alcohol, option C methyl alcohol, option D methyl alcohol and H2O. So the correct answer is option D methyl alcohol and H2O. Next question. Which one of the following metals does not react with water to produce hydrogen? Option A potassium, option B cadmium, option C sodium, option D lithium. So the correct answer is option B cadmium. Next question. One of constituents of tear gas is option A ethane, option B ethanol, option C ether, option D chloropicrine. So the correct answer is option D chloropicrine. Next question. Carbon monoxide is an inflammable gas. Which one of the following is also inflammable? Option A helium, option B nitrogen, option C oxygen, option D hydrogen. So the correct answer is option D hydrogen. Next question. An atomic clock is based on transition in option A sodium, option B cesium, option C magnesium, option D aluminium. So the correct answer is option B cesium. Next question. Which of the following substance is highly plastic? Option A quartz, option B mica, option C granite, option D clay. So the correct answer is option D clay. Next question. Mortar is a mixture of water, sand and option A gypsum, option B limestone, option C quicklime, option D slaked lime. So the correct answer is option D slaked lime. Next question. An emulsifier is an agent which option A aids the flocculation of an emulsion, option B stabilize an emulsion, option C accelerate the dispersion, option D homogenize an emulsion. So the correct answer is option B stabilize an emulsion. Next question. The tip of the match stick contains option A potassium chlorate, option B white chlorate, option C red phosphorus, option D phosphorus. So the correct answer is option A potassium chlorate. Next question. Thanks for watching.